Guys, I am here, Electrono, in this bathroom. I've been hearing creepy noises in the past few days in this bathroom. I think it's a monster that is called Skibidi Toilet that has evolved into a new version. So I will see if it is, and if it is, I'm going to be running for my life. Did you hear that, guys? That sound. That was creepy. Okay. I'm going to open the toilet in 3, 2, 1, open. Oh!